Tursus has a plan to make Goa net zero over 2024. We solarize, hybridize. But wait, we need your help. Join the revolution. Give a missed call on 828693 8286.
Sir, there is one contempt petition regarding some jetty hygiene.
There were certain directions issued by the High Court in a public interest petition. Now these directions were not complied with. Therefore a contempt petition was initiated. High Court took cognizance of that contempt petition, and thereafter today they had filed a joint inspection report as far as Malim jetty was concerned. Various deficiencies were found, and government has assured, various government authorities have assured that they will take action in respect of various deficiencies. There are various departments which are involved, and respective departments will be taking. So High Court had asked them to appoint one nodal officer who would be responsible for taking all these actions, and such a nodal officer who is a director of fisheries has been appointed as a nodal officer in respect of all these complaints. So if there are any deficiencies we have found, director of fisheries will initiate appropriate action in coordination with various departments. Then it is found that there are some weighing machines at the jetty, and they are without the proper marks and without the proper the weights and measures approvals and all. So there also they have assured that they will be taking action. And finally what the High Court has said, that there are about 5 more jetties in Goa. They are a different, Kutubona is there, then Vasco, Konkani, and all these places there are jetties. So similar inspections will be carried out at all other jetties to see that if there are any deficiencies, the same directions will be applicable to all these jetties. So it is not that it is restricted only to Malim, it would be made applicable to all other jetties. And within the proper timelines have been given. So these directions will ensure, according to me, good cleanliness at the jetty, good hygiene. It will also, action would come against the illegal constructions. Then dumping would stop, the river would not be polluted, and spillage of water will also stop. We expect that RTO's action and all, because there have been various cases, accidents and all, so that will also stop.